Justin, welcome back sa PBA. Anong pakiramdam?
Well, nung nakalaro ako kanina, feeling ko parang rookie ulit ako. Parang tagal ko di nakaapak sa Araneta. So, I was happy na I got my feet wet for today. So, hopefully, I'll do better next game. Pero iba talaga yung pakiramdam. Parang nanibago ulit ako.
Pero nung before nung conference, talagang nagpa-practice ka na eh, no?
I was practicing with them. Pero syempre, practice is different pa naman din sa actual game. And then we had one tune-up game lang din. So, yeah.
How did TNT approach you? Or way
Ako
before
yung
pa?
lumapit. Actually, nag-ask lang ako if I could try out for the team, if they have a spot for the team. Kasi yun, parang doon naman simula lahat. So I went to camp with them. And,
Do you think yung Sikkim stint mo, nakatulong din yun na nakita kayo nila Coach Sandy na kasama sa
siguro
coaches
it helped a little bit din naman. Pero after kasi ng SEA Games nung simula January, I really prepared myself kasi nag-try talaga ako makabalik sa PBA. So nagpa-condition talaga ako. So nagkataon na nga may spot nung nag-message ako sa kanila. So
Mahirap ba yun na after nag-expire yung...
Pero I think nasa tao rin yun eh. If you really want to come back, you really have to sacrifice a lot eh. So I think yun yung isang bagay na ginawa ko talaga na I really prepared myself just to get a shot, just a chance. Yun lang naman sabi ko kay Coach Chat eh. Just a chance to, try out and then